Fazaya Degree College Rafiki, established in 1967. Fazaya Degree College Rafiki, Shaukat Kant, has been a beacon of educational excellence under the esteemed umbrella of the Pakistan Air Force. We are committed to nurturing both intellectual and character building, providing a conducive learning environment with state-of-the-art multimedia-equipped classrooms, ultra-modern computer labs, and a well-stocked library across our primary, middle, secondary, and college campuses. We are the winners of the Chief of the Air Staff trophies. Fazaya Degree College Rafiki is the only federal board position holders institution in Shaukat City.
भी आते हैं वज़ूफ़े प्राइज़ बोर्ड। सालहीन के वाक़यात व हालात में अहले नज़र के लिए बसीरत का सामान होता है, इसलिए दिलों को पाकीज़